This is my cow, Annabelle. She can be mean sometimes, but she's a good cow. She likes to play. She's fixing to have a baby. Annabelle. Annabelle. Yeah, she has her winter coat, so it's really long. She's having to tend to it. But yeah. If you can't see me, the camera's on the flip side. So, anyway. Cows. Annabelle. Cow. Oh, excuse you. Somebody's got the coughs. I'm sorry. Okay, just showing you my cow.